I'm so excited to try this out. I got the shade 4 Warm. It does bring a pump. Use this sponge to apply it and let's see what it looks like. So I'm just going to start by pouncing it into my skin first. I swear my kids are so loud. It's just really difficult for me to film without my girls. Really difficult. One day I'll have a beauty room in the basement. Okay, so that is one side. Look at the difference. Look at that nice complexion there. And then the redness. So it definitely has some coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage because look at the blemishes there. So far, I really like it. I feel like it's just a buildable coverage, but the way it makes your skin look is lovely. It's not massively glowy, but it's hydrating and it looks like your skin, which is what it claims to do. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I have no idea how long it's supposed to last. I need to have a look and look that up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup because I've got more stuff to film and I'll be back.